Hello YouTube, this is Tech Editka and today we are going to unbox the Logitech c310 webcam. So let's get started. We will take a look at the box first. Here there are the specifications of the webcam. It's compatible with Skype, Gmail and Yahoo also, so it's nice. Here is the model name, Logitech HD webcam. Here are the features. It can record 720p, auto light correction, then built-in microphone and 5MP camera. On the right there is nothing special, just other webcam specifications. On the top the pricing, and on the back there is which Windows operating system it is compatible with. So let's go ahead and unbox this. It slides out very easily. Just there are some paperwork present in this box, so we'll take a quick look at that paperwork. What are they? We have the user's guide, getting started with Logitech HD. Okay, we are now getting started. Here are some instructions which are useless, we all know that. Important information which is about the warranty, let us keep it aside, and the call center numbers. Okay, now we'll take the look at the webcam. I will try to do this very cleanly, so I am not tear it apart. Okay, here we go. Clean unboxing. And it comes right in my hand. We can use it to keep it on a place steady. Now we'll take a look at the cable. It's pretty long, so you can like approximately 1.5 meters. I will be doing a review video of this webcam, so be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching.